Good night, my name is Ana Anguera, and I told you all I have learned about speed jacks in this course. So I start with what is a speed jack, the form versus communicative function. Then I will talk about different speed jacks, the force, and finally the indirectness. Okay, I will start. What is a speed jack? A speed jack is a technical term in linguistics and the philosophy of language. So we use it in all the ways when we are talking about the intention, the interpretation, the intonation, and the indirect speed jacks. Form versus pragmatic function. Communicative function is the function of any sentence in communication. For example, question, statement, request. In other words, the communicative function of a sentence reflects what the speaker wants to do with the utterance. The communicative function of a sentence can be worked out partly from its form, which could be declarative, exclamative, interrogative, and interjection, though there is no one-to-one correspondence between sentence form and communicative function, and partly from intonation in a speech, or from the context of the sentence. Communicative function have also been described as giving or demanding information or goods or services by means of language. Moreover, we have speed jacks, which can be analyzed on 3 levels. Locutionary act, the performance of an utterance, the actual utterance, which correspond to the verbal, syntactic, or semantic aspects of any meaningful utterance. An illocutionary act, the semantic illocutionary force of the utterance, thus its real intent meaning, and in certain cases, a further perlocutionary act. Its actual effects, such as persuading, convincing, inspiring, or otherwise getting someone to do or realize something, whether intent or not. Another term is the force. In some cases, there are utterances which have a certain and conventional force. Sometimes difficulties arise when we are talking that the hearer interprets in different ways, in which we want it. So we are talking about the communicative intention. We have when we create a phrase, for this reason, we use expressions such as, what I mean was, or I don't see what you mean. And finally, the last term is the indirectness. The indirectness speech is an interpretation of the hearer. When the speaker says an utterance with a double sense. For example, I say, give me your papers, which is rude, but I can say, would you give me your papers, please? This other way is more polite than the other. So we can realize the difference between directness and indirectness intention when we say something. That's all, so thanks for your time and attention in my explanation about speed jacks.